is Formula T Tobacco by WSP Wet Shaving Products. Shea butter and tallow, and this stuff is amazing. Amazing. Smells great. I have the aftershave to boot. I'll be putting that on after the shave. And I just came in here and I was gonna think, well, what's the last shave of the month gonna be? And I just looked under the cabinet and I said, well, I hadn't used that in a while. I'm ready. Using the Wolfman, or what somebody said the other day, the Wolfie. I like that. I don't know how many shaves ago, but I started out with one of these and I'm still using it. So whenever I started, I guess 5 or 6 shaves ago, maybe longer. Still going good. This is the Atlas handle. Wolfman WR1. This kind of reminds me of the old Gillette New they made in the 1930s. The short comb. It's good, great in hand, this handle. I didn't get one of his handles, and I probably will later, but I just fell in love with this handle, and I get another one. I'm using my Wolf Whiskers Badger brush. I'll go ahead and get that out, it's soaking. Yeah, the last video you'll see me shaving for 30 days or something. How many days are in November? I don't know, but it's the coin of it. I don't know if y'all see that a whole lot. This is foxhorn. And beautiful. And some don't like the, I've read some comments on forums that they don't like the size of WSP. And I don't have a problem loading it. It's a little bit bigger than cello, so if you can load out a cello, it's fine. With this brush, about that much is hanging over, but I'm getting plenty in the brush. And with my 1305 and my 830, that, you know, all my brushes work great. This is my biggest brush, so as you see, it does fine. You can put a little bit of water on it to bloom it. I don't even think I've tried this one. I think I have the other one, the vegan one, which is called the Rustic Shave Soap Formula. And it's fabulous too. Both of these are great. Wet shaving products out of Arizona, I believe. That's where my wife's from. All right. And ever since I got this brush, I've had problems with getting it to flow right because it's so thick. But I think in the month of December, I'm going to bowl lather mainly. I think that'll break that up some. That's my theory anyway. Who knows? Hope everybody's doing good. Today's Sunday. I'm gonna wet my face. I see I got a lot of new subscribers. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Just in time to see me not shave for a month. There's 3 of us on the old school shavers against cancer. I don't know why I can't say that. OSSAC. I'll leave a link below in the show notes. And y'all check it out. If you can't join because of work, because you gotta stay shaved up, gotta look pretty, just donate. If not to my team, donate somewhere. There's plenty of teams going. Movember, No Shave November. I think How to Grow Enough Mustache has a team. I believe several have joined. Doug makes everything, Doug Smythe, How to Grow a Mustache. He makes everything fun. He's such a happy-go-lucky guy. I used to listen to his podcast when he had it with him and Ryan. It's a great podcast. This is a good, slick, really slick soap. And if I had my choosing between the two, I'd probably pick the rustic shaving formula, just for the feel of it on my face. Both of them are great performers. Come to enjoy some products that they put in soaps to make it a light, buttery feel, or a silky feel, should I say. And his rustic shaving soap's magnificent. But I'll go ahead and shave tonight, and tomorrow's Halloween, so if I do shave, it's going to be a quick one. It'll probably be with this or Mitchell's Wool Fat. That's usually my go-to. Probably the same razor. And then over the month, I'll still be doing videos. I'll give a tour of my shave den. Not literally, y'all see it. But I'll be pulling out my razors, showing you all of them. All my straights and DEs. My SEs. I'll probably do a little cleaning, organizing. And then, let's see, probably do some cleaning videos, stropping videos. I hadn't really went over the way I strop, which is, you know, not the best. And thought it'd be fun if y'all want to do a question and answer video. Write me some of your questions and I'll sit down and answer them over a cup of coffee. How about that? Or demonstrate. That's what I usually do with this brush. Make it flow. You know, when I first started out, I always wondered which is more important for a new shaver. Do you want more lather in the beginning, more cushion in the beginning, or more slickness? Because I've found, for me, if I leave my face really wet and then apply more lather, it gets it really, really slick. You can jump the performance up of less slicker soaps that you find, or even creams, by leaving your face really wet and then applying it. But I always found out I like the thicker, creamy lather for the very first shave when I first started out. and then a less thicker at the end. I tried it different ways. It's funny, when I first started out, I had so many questions. Like how to clean a brush. Watched hours and hours of videos. Did you see that? There's a fly or something. So if any of y'all new shavers out there or old shavers have any questions at all, feel free to write me. I'll leave my email. Might as well go ahead and get BBS. Wonderful. I also thought that I would revisit another video about pre-shaves, what I do, the products that I use, the products that I've tried, the ones that worked and ones that didn't. I'm actually getting into some bath soaps that I'll let y'all know more about, but I used Stash Soaps, Soapworks Black Pepper tonight. Actually my wife's soap, but it smells good. This is Fairhope Havana, and I'll probably using this and probably Parasso White on my face for the month, just to keep it hydrated and stuff after a shower. Fixing to have to order some more. Highly recommend y'all trying Fairhope Shaving Company out of Alabama. A great soap. They only use about 4 or 5 different ingredients in their soap. The Balm is the bomb. Great menthol kick. This has alcohol. Let me put my safety glasses back on. Alcohol, Hanimelis, Virginia, glycerin, fragrance, and allantoin. And it is flammable. This stuff smells so good. It actually matches this Fairhope Havana very good. And even on the mornings I don't shave, I'll still throw on some aftershave. Not the biggest cologne person. Number one, I don't own any. Only just a couple. But usually I'll just, I like the mild scent of aftershave, so I'll put that on just to have it on my hands to smell, you know, for me, and put it in my hair. But thank y'all for watching, and next time we meet on here, we won't be shaving, but we'll talk about shaving stuff. Write me, let me know what you want to see. Let any concerns, any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll answer away. Thanks for watching. I'm Cap, and y'all have a happy Halloween tomorrow. Evening, everybody. I don't know why I waited. Evening, everybody. And all right. Good evening. Cap here, and I can't.